it bad, bad, bad. And she been looking better. I've been hearing all these voices in my head. Like, does it really even matter?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share some cleaning inspiration because I'm someone who struggles a lot to want to clean and feel motivated to clean, but of course, there is only so much something could stay untidy and messy for until you really start to get irked by it. And that is me. My apartment was just so messy, and I really wanted to take some time to reset some key areas of my space, starting off with my living room. So grab something hot to drink, eat a snack, and clean with me if you must. I feel like we can just inspire each other to get some cleaning done. First up, I'm tackling my living room and vacuuming it, my rugs, as well as getting rid of like the fur on my couch, because as you can see, almost everything is white in my apartment. So I have 2 cats and my cats have dark hair. So fur tends to get everywhere. So I'm doing a general vacuum and then cleaning down my couches. So sit back and listen to some fun music as we clean together.
Ain't no going to the way it was before. Cause I don't wanna play these games no more. She be laying it all go out on the floor. And that's something that I just cannot ignore. No, no, bad, bad, bad. Looking better. Ain't no going to the way it was before. Cause I don't wanna play these games no more. Dancing with the devil on my shoulder. Drop a liquor on the rocks, mix my heart golden. Got no problem going home, it's the October. I ain't feeling like myself when I'm not sober. Kinda feeling like a man right now, with a coping mechanism in my hand right now. And she looking way too good if you ask me. Got me rolling up the pressure in the back. Bad, bad, bad. And she been looking better.
One thing I like doing after I finish cleaning one area is lighting some scented candles, because it makes my space smell really good and it makes me feel really inspired and cozy, especially because I am someone, like I said, who just has to get every ounce of inspiration to want to clean. So I'm lighting some of my fall scented candles just to get my space smelling really, really nice. And now I'm gonna go and do my couch. As much as I love vacuuming my couch and stuff like that, cat hair is very hard to get rid of. So what I do is I use a tool to kind of like scrape it off. I will have it linked down below. I shared it in a previous video. This is what I find works really good for me, especially since someone who has like all white furniture.
I've been hearing all these voices in my head. Like, does it really even matter? Ain't no going to the way it was before. Cause I don't wanna play these games no more. She be laying it all go out on the floor. And that's something that I just cannot ignore. No, no, bad, bad, bad. Bad, bad, bad. Shawty want it bad, bad, bad. And she been looking better. Ain't no going to the way it was before. Cause I don't wanna play these games no more.
Something else that I really love doing that inspires me is to play music. So I find like these cozy, chill coffee house kind of music. This one was a fall themed one. And I felt like if while I was cleaning and this was playing in the background, like I just didn't feel like if time was taking forever. And I didn't feel like if I was taking forever to clean anything, which is what my issue is always. So next up, we are going to put on a load of laundry and continue cleaning while that is finished.
She don't know the hole that she got on me. Dancing with the devil on my shoulder. Been living in my head rent free. But I'm just trying to get a little closer. Shawty want a bag, hold on in my bag. And that boy was saying we ain't going outside. No, we ain't going out. Bad, bad, bad. Shawty want it bad, bad, bad. And she been looking better. I've been hearing all these voices in my head. Like, does it really even matter? Ain't no going to the way it was before. Cause I don't wanna play.
I finally got some flowers and I'm so excited to make some little floral arrangements for my apartment. I have a few jars here, but I really feel like if I need to get a little bit more because my cats always break them, honestly. So that's why I don't really have a vase. So we have some jubras. These don't last as long as I would like them to, but they're still so pretty. They are in these really pretty fall toned colors. How cute are these? I feel like if I'll just make these into a very simple arrangement. So I have some of these in this really pretty glass jar. I shared this in a video haul before, but I'm gonna put some of them inside of it because I think it looks so pretty. Oh my god, you guys, there is no way that that just happened.
She be laying it all go out on the floor, and that's something that I just cannot ignore. No, no, bad, 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 bad.
I think this looks so pretty, like a fun, really pretty fall themed arrangement.
Shawty want it bad, 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 and she been looking better. Ain't no going to the way it was before, 'cause I don't wanna play these games no more. This the life that we have chose.
So I have this a strawberry vase. Originally it was supposed to be a more pink toned color, but I will survive. I have some baby's breath. Baby's breath is like a staple. I feel like if it looks so good in every little arrangement. To me, it's like the perfect filler. And it even looks good alone. Pink roses that we have. So I'm gonna make a cute little arrangement in this vase. I am popping some ice cubes into it. I saw that sometimes helps, but I'm not 100% sure.
I hit the gas on the road. I had to do it on my own. I take my time and I reload. I live this life while you just talk about it. Put my money where my mouth is and I keep it solid. Speaking on my name and I just can't allow it. Working in the gym till the whole team is balling. Yeah. I get that bag and I double it. We got the heat, yeah, we bubbling. Heard all that talk at enough. Marrying the game, I'm in love with it. Came with that work in the stash. Like, baby, I'm up in my bag. I can't believe baby so mad. My baby, she looking so bad. Lil' mama, I just wanna ball. So I had to give it my all. They praying on me that I fall, but they don't be getting that call. They say for the flex, no, it's facts.
So I finished this one. I just added the baby's breath to it, and I feel like if this is just good enough for me, I love just very, very simple little, oh, hey Coco. I love very simple arrangements like these. I definitely want to continue going about at least a month, like every month, to try to change out flowers and get new things so that I can just always have fresh flowers in my space. Like, I am committing to that goal for this year.
I'm counting this money regardless of what you've been doing, I'm getting these racks. This is the life that we have chose. I hit the gas on the road. I had to do it on my own. I take my time and I reload. I live this life while you just talk about it. Put my money where my mouth is and I keep it solid. Speaking on my name and I just can't allow it. Working in the gym till the whole team is balling. Yeah.
You guys, let us appreciate the flowers while they look like this, because this is a few days later and it was just a hot mess. And I ended up using the baby's breath that was left over. It was a lot dried out, as you can see, but I feel like if that just goes perfectly with my cozy fall theme. So I added it to this Nordic vase on my dining table, and that made a hot mess in itself. I clearly did not think this through, so I had to end up vacuuming and cleaning over the entire table.
I'm counting this money regardless of what you've been doing, I'm getting these racks. This is the life that we have chose. I hit the gas on the road. I had to do it on my own. I take my time and I reload. I live this life while you just talk about it. Put my money where my mouth is and I keep it solid. Speaking on my name and I just can't allow it. Working in the gym till the whole team is balling. Yeah. feel like I'm doing a dash. I pray when I whip you don't crash. Putting that weight on my back and putting my team on the map. She hit me and said what's the move? It's like we got nothing to lose. Swear that I'm telling the truth.
Of course, while I'm doing all of this hard work, my cats are just busy sleeping in their new, cleaned, amazing space. I mean, look at them. They truly are living the best life.
I hit the gas on the road. I had to do it on my own. I take my shot and I reload. I live this life while you just talk about it. Put my money where my mouth is and I keep it solid. Speaking on my name and I just can't allow it. Working in a tent till the whole team was bothered. Yeah.
I got some fresh strawberries this week, and it's been a while since I've had any fruits in my apartment. This is just me trying to reset my entire diet. One thing I like doing is soaking my strawberries in water and vinegar because you have no idea how dirty these things get, and some of my strawberries were not even that good anyway, and I had to go ahead and cut off all the bad pieces. So I'm not really sure what was just going on with my life. But as you can see, there's a lot of icky things after I soak it for about 10 minutes. So I go ahead and strain that and wash that out. And then I will try to just make sure and eat everything before it goes bad.
I feel like I'm doing a dash. I pray when I whip you don't crash. Putting that weight on my back and putting my team on the map. She hit me and said what's the move? It's like we got nothing to lose. Swear that I'm telling the truth.
I got some new cat food to try from Tiki Cat, and this is a more raw food diet for my cats, so I decided to go ahead and just clean out all of my cat food area and kind of organize it because it was in just a crazy state. I will have this cat food brand link down below. I really like it. I've been feeding my cats that for a while now as like treats or for dinner because I just really wanted to, kind of wean them off a more processed diet and kind of feed them more natural things. So as you can see, I'm just cleaning out everything, removing all of the cat food, like the empty-ish bags, and going to just clean and reorganize this entire space.
Little mama, I just wanna ball, so I had to give it my all. They praying on me that I fall, but they don't be getting that call. They say for the flex, no it's facts. I put that weight on my back. I'm counting this money regardless of what you been doing. I'm making these racks. I hit the gas on the road. I had to do it on my own. I take my shot and I reload. I live this life while you just talk about it. Put my money where my mouth is and I keep it solid. Speaking on my name and I just can't allow it. Working in a tent till the whole team was bothered. Yeah.
So this looks a lot better, and as you can see, Coco came to investigate her new treat and snack area. It honestly looks so good now, and it makes me feel really good to see everything looking so neat and put together. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up their feeding station and give them some food. This is a space that always gets dirty like this because Lola, my smaller cat, she tends to just drag out all of her dry food and put it on the floor for some weird reason. So I'm giving them some wet food, some of that same Tiki Cat food that they seem to be really liking. So I'm really happy about that. As of course, I am that crazy person who reads up a lot of things about my cats, and I read that cats don't really like to hydrate and drink water, so having some wet food in their diet can really help them get that hydration that they need. By now, that load of laundry has finished washed, and I'm just going to go ahead and put everything into the dryer now. I hope that you enjoyed this cleaning inspiration type of video. I don't really do these because I don't really like to clean, like I said, but honestly, lighting those candles and putting on that cozy music really helped. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos like these, don't forget to also subscribe because I have so much amazing content coming your way that I don't want you to miss out on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.